If you're in the first trimester and wondering when the nausea will finally end, trust me, you're not alone. So many pregnant moms deal with nausea, especially in those early weeks, and it can make enjoying pregnancy a little tricky. But don't worry, we have 7 practical tips to help you cope with pregnancy nausea so you can hopefully feel a little bit better and get back to enjoying this amazing journey.
Before we jump in, if you're looking for extra support during your pregnancy, be sure to sign up for our weekly pregnancy updates for couples. Each week, we'll send you an email aligned with your due date full of helpful info about mom, baby, and even tips for your partner. The link is in the description.
All right, now let's dive into those 7 tips. First up, eat small, frequent meals. It might sound simple, but when your stomach is never too empty or too full, it can really help with nausea. Big meals can be hard to digest and leave you feeling worse. Try to have a snack every 2 to 3 hours. Think crackers, nuts, or fruit. Keeping your blood sugar stable is key.
Yeah, and if you're on the go, having something light in your bag can make a big difference. I remember that you always had those little snack bags ready to go.
It's true. Number 2, ginger and peppermint. These are 2 natural remedies that can really help calm your stomach. You can try ginger tea, ginger candies, or even a little grated ginger in warm water. And peppermint tea, and peppermint candies can also work wonders as well.
If you're not a fan of the taste, there are ginger capsules or peppermint oil that you can use in a diffuser. Just be sure to check with your doctor before trying anything new.
Next up, stay hydrated, but do it smartly. It's easy to get dehydrated, especially if you're throwing up. But gulping down water when you're already feeling queasy, not always the best move. Try small sips throughout the day, or even popsicles or ice chips if plain water isn't working.
And hydration packs like Element or Liquid IV can be a great way to keep your electrolytes up without having to drink tons of water all at once.
Tip 4, avoid your triggers. Pay attention to what's setting off your nausea. Is it certain smells, strong flavors? Sometimes even just being in the kitchen can be too much. If that's the case, don't be afraid to delegate the cooking or prep meals that don't involve a lot of strong smells.
Yeah, I remember we had to ban certain foods from the house for a while. Those strong smells were no joke. And if smells are bothering you, try wearing a scented bracelet or a dab of essential oil under your nose.
Tip 5 is all about balancing your blood sugar by eating more protein. When your blood sugar dips, it can make nausea worse. So try to include high protein snacks throughout the day. Things like nuts, yogurt, cheese, or even boiled eggs can be easy go-to options.
You were always snacking on those little protein bites during pregnancy, and it really seemed to help keep things more stable.
It's true. Next up, vitamin B6, your prenatal vitamins, and prescription medications. Vitamin B6 is often recommended to help with nausea, and it's found in things like bananas, nuts, and potatoes. You can also talk to your doctor about a supplement. And if your prenatal vitamins are making you queasy, try taking them at night or with a meal.
Yeah, taking them on an empty stomach can be really rough, but there are also prescription medications your doctor can recommend that are safe during pregnancy if your nausea is just really tough to manage.
If the typical remedies aren't cutting it, don't hesitate to talk to your healthcare provider about prescription options, which are specifically formulated for pregnancy nausea. And last but not least, let's talk about acupressure bands. These little bands press on a specific point on your wrist that's been shown to help reduce nausea. They're often used for motion sickness, but they can work during pregnancy too.
And you can get them pretty much anywhere. Drugstores, online. It's an easy, non-invasive option to try.
So there you have it, 7 ways to cope with pregnancy nausea. Remember, every pregnancy is different, so what works for one mom might not work for another. Be patient with yourself and try a few of these out to see what helps.
And if you found something else that works, we really want to hear about it. So drop in the comments below something that we can all help each other out with regarding pregnancy nausea.
And also don't forget to sign up for our weekly pregnancy updates for couples. It's an awesome resource where you'll get an email each week aligned with your due date with info about mom, baby, and partner. We'll help you navigate each step of the way during your pregnancy.
The link is in the description, so be sure to check that out.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.